Hi, I'm just going to review the GHB soldering iron. I'll just show you what you get in the box, really, more than anything. You get a few different heads, and it looks like they just slot on. You get this little handy thing that comes as a dry sponge. You wouldn't know to just put water in that, and then you can clean your soldering iron, get some of the impurities off, and then that just goes forward and your soldering iron rests on it like that. So this is the soldering iron itself. It's got a small wheel for setting the temperature, so you've got, it goes all the way up to 450, so in the instructions it says solder about 250, so it's probably how you get into and change the tips that way. You might not need to in the whole life of this thing. So standard cable, and depending on your country they've probably given you the right plug or not. That's actually solder. There was no flux, it should be noted, so if you're going to do some work you might need to invest in a bit of flux. This is the plunger. That's quite handy for sucking solder out of the back of joints. So you load it, you press the button, put it on the joint, well, you melt it, when it's melted put it on and suck it off. Yeah, and it comes in this case with a couple of clips, which is quite a handy little case in itself, really. I mean, for what you get for the money, it's ideal. And I had a bigger soldering iron that was a bit too big for little electronic jobs, so I just got this one. So I've already used it to try and repair my Xbox thing. That video is, I'm not sure if that video is going to make it online or not. It didn't work in the end, but never mind. Please like this video if you liked it, and if it was useful to you. That always helps it rise to the top of YouTube so that other people can see it and make the purchase based on that. Also, please, if you are going to buy it, please do so if you got help from this video with the affiliate links. Just click the little more at the bottom of the screen and it'll open up and you'll see buy this in the UK, buy this in the USA. If you click on that, I'm an Amazon affiliate and I'll get a small amount of money for bringing you this video. That's how affiliate marketing works. So and it's not the reason I do it, it just helps a bit. I mean, you don't make a living from it. Very few people make a living from affiliate marketing. So thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye bye.